tiny house in amber light, glow on winter's fall, swathed in white snow. New moon above, with stars just so in branches where the night winds blow. Shadows dance on the moonlit plain, a peaceful night's unspoken game. The snowflakes fall with soft refrain. In stillness, find what we remain. Shadows dance on the moonlit plain, a peaceful night's unspoken game. The snowflakes fall with soft refrain. In stillness, find what we remain. Stars in the sky watch dreams unfold in winter's night with whispers bold. A tiny house where hearts find mold, love in the chill, our warmth untold. Trees stand silent in frozen grace, their whispers traced on nature's face. A respite found in this still place, a farm where time finds no disgrace. Crystal dreams in a silent cheer, winter's kiss makes the night feel near. In tiny house, no hint of fear, just moonlit skies and stars so clear. Stars in the sky watch dreams unfold in winter's night with whispers bold. A tiny house where hearts find mold, love in the chill, our warmth untold. Stars in the sky watch dreams unfold in winter's night with whispers bold. A tiny house where hearts find mold, love in the chill, our warmth untold.